Number 1. Creating a budget that works for you. Dave Ramsey emphasizes that your budget should align with your values and priorities, acting as a tool for intentional spending. For instance, if you aim to save for a dream vacation, your budget allocates a specific portion of your income to this goal. It's like crafting a financial roadmap towards your aspirations, empowering you to take control of your financial journey. Remember, budgeting isn't about constriction. It's about liberation and making mindful choices that lead to financial empowerment. Number 2. Building an emergency fund. Life's unpredictability can throw unexpected expenses your way, and an emergency fund acts as a financial safety net. Dave Ramsey advises having at least $1,000 saved for unforeseen circumstances, such as sudden car repairs or medical expenses. This fund offers peace of mind during challenging times, ensuring you're prepared for unexpected financial hurdles. It's akin to having a financial cushion that provides security and stability when life takes an unexpected turn. Prioritizing this fund is a proactive step towards securing your financial well-being. Number 3. Living below your means. Dave Ramsey encourages not just living within your means, but below them, freeing up resources for saving and investing in your future. It's not about deprivation, but about making smart choices that prioritize long-term financial security. For instance, if your monthly income comfortably allows for a luxury car, opting for a more economical option enables you to redirect funds towards retirement savings. Living below your means is like planting seeds of financial success, fostering a mindset of strategic choices and sustainable living that pays dividends over time. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and let us know you're ready for more frugal content by commenting "I am frugal." Number 4. Prioritizing debt payoff. Dave Ramsey's debt snowball method suggests tackling your smallest debts first while maintaining minimum payments on others. This approach provides quick wins, boosting motivation to continue. Imagine having multiple credit cards. By starting with the smallest balance, you pay it off faster, experiencing a sense of accomplishment. It's like a snowball gathering momentum, propelling you away from the shackles of debt. Prioritizing debt payoff is about regaining control, breaking free from financial burdens, and fostering a sense of empowerment in your financial journey. Number 5. Saying goodbye to credit cards. Dave Ramsey advises cutting up your credit cards and paying with cash or a debit card. By eliminating reliance on credit, you break free from the cycle of credit card debt and make more informed spending decisions. For instance, when faced with an impulsive online purchase without a credit card, you pause, think twice, and assess if it's a genuine necessity. This practice helps in curbing unnecessary expenses and promotes responsible financial behavior. Saying goodbye to credit cards is like reclaiming control over your finances and building a foundation for sound money management. Number 6. Cooking at home and meal planning. Dining out frequently can quickly deplete your finances. Dave Ramsey recommends planning your meals for the week, creating a shopping list, and buying ingredients in bulk. This habit not only reduces food expenses, but also contributes to overall well-being. By investing time in preparing meals at home, you simultaneously invest in your health and financial stability. It's a practical approach that aligns with frugal living principles, demonstrating that mindful choices in your daily routine can have a significant impact on your financial goals. Number 7. Shopping smart by utilizing coupons and discounts. Dave Ramsey's advice includes clipping coupons from local newspapers, signing up for cashback apps, and taking advantage of seasonal sales. This savvy shopper mentality ensures you get the best deals and stretch every dollar. For example, by using discounts and coupons, you can significantly reduce your grocery bills or score discounts on necessary purchases. It's akin to being a financial strategist who knows how to navigate the market and make the most of available opportunities, aligning with the overarching goal of frugal living. Number 8. Buying used instead of brand new. New vehicles often experience rapid depreciation, leading to a financial setback. Opting for a used car, preferably a certified pre-owned model, is like making an investment in reliable transportation that retains its value over time. By avoiding the initial depreciation hit, you make a cost-effective choice that aligns with frugal living principles. This approach extends beyond cars, emphasizing the importance of thoughtful spending on durable items that provide value without unnecessary financial strain. Congratulations! You've made it halfway through the video, and we're thrilled to have you here with us. So we have a special surprise for you, which is the Millionaire Mindset ebook your key to wealth creation. Grab your free copy by clicking the link below. Number 9. Embracing minimalism. By reducing clutter and unnecessary possessions, you not only declutter your physical space, but also alleviate the financial burden of maintaining things you don't need. For instance, decluttering your wardrobe and selling or donating clothing you haven't worn in years not only simplifies your living space, but contributes to financial efficiency. Minimalism is about finding wealth in simplicity, both physically and financially. It aligns with the frugal living ethos, encouraging intentional choices that lead to a more streamlined and financially conscious lifestyle. Number 10. Setting clear financial goals. Dave Ramsey emphasizes the importance of specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Whether saving for a down payment on a home or an emergency fund, these goals provide direction and motivation for your financial journey. For instance, having a SMART goal to save $20,000 for a down payment within the next 3 years gives you a roadmap and a tangible target. Pursuing financial goals is like following a map to your dreams, helping you stay on track, measure progress, and celebrate achievements along the way. Number 11. Increasing your income while living within your means. Dave Ramsey emphasizes the importance of side hustles, freelancing, or investing in education to boost earning potential. Exploring opportunities to monetize a hobby or acquiring new skills for a higher-paying job opens doors to greater financial possibilities. For example, gaining a certification or learning a new skill could lead to increased job opportunities and higher income. By proactively seeking ways to enhance your earning potential, you accelerate your journey toward financial independence, aligning with the core principles of frugal living. Number 12. Avoiding impulse purchases. Dave Ramsey suggests practicing delayed gratification by waiting before making non-essential purchases. This approach helps distinguish between needs and wants, strengthening financial discipline. For example, waiting a week before buying a new gadget ensures a well-thought-out purchase, preventing impulsive spending. By consciously evaluating purchases, you prioritize mindful spending and resist unnecessary expenses, contributing to a frugal and financially responsible lifestyle. Number 13. Negotiation. Dave Ramsey encourages negotiating for better deals, whether in significant purchases, salary negotiations, or monthly bills. For example, when buying a car, negotiating with the dealer can secure a lower price or better financing terms. These negotiation skills act as a secret weapon in your financial arsenal, allowing you to make more cost-effective decisions and maximize savings. By embracing the art of negotiation, you harness the power to shape better financial outcomes in various aspects of your life. Number 14. Being content with what you have. Dave Ramsey's financial philosophy promotes contentment with current possessions and circumstances, resisting the temptation to overspend to keep up with others. For instance, appreciating the functionality of your current smartphone instead of constantly upgrading demonstrates contentment. This mindset helps in cultivating true wealth and simplicity, focusing on gratitude for what you have rather than pursuing material possessions. Number 15. Practicing generosity and giving back. Contributing to others not only benefits those in need, but also brings joy and fulfillment to your life. For instance, regularly donating to a local charity, volunteering time, or supporting a cause you're passionate about enriches your life while making a positive impact on others. Generosity becomes a way of unlocking the true purpose of wealth, emphasizing that riches extend beyond monetary accumulation. There you have it, Dave Ramsey's 15 tips to thrive on a limited income. Do you want to know the best and smartest frugal living tips from the Frugal Grandma? If yes, click on the playlist shown here. For more valuable content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you never miss an update.